Welcome to MAT142, College Mathematics. My name is Kelly Devaney. I'll be your instructor for the course. And now just because this is an online class does not mean that I am not a real person or available for you. So my contact information is up at the top of your syllabus. The easiest way to get a hold of me is probably through email, but I am in my office on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:15 to 2:15. I'm also available virtually. We can always meet through Zoom by appointment if you have any questions, want to go over anything, or just want to meet up. But college mathematics, I would say, is kind of a hodgepodge class. We will be doing 5 different units in this class. And what's kind of a little bit different is those 5 units are kind of independent from each other. So it feels a little bit weird sometimes because they don't kind of flow or build on each other. But it also might be kind of nice for you because they are so independent that you might like one chapter over the other. And so you can kind of switch gears when we move on to the new unit. Now, the 5 units that we will be covering, we will do a unit chapter on set theory. We will do a unit on probability. We will do a unit on statistics, a unit on finance, which is my favorite because it's real world applicable with lots of money involved. And there is a unit on geometry and unit conversion. So you can kind of go through and read through the description and the course competencies to see kind of what we're going to be doing here for this semester. But really in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the required materials that you're going to need for this course. Now, most of your information is going to be in Canvas. I've got lots of information and announcements and in the modules about everything that you need to know for the course. In Canvas, I have also created modules that include video lessons. So this is how you're going to learn the material. But you're going to practice the material by doing homework, and that homework is going to be done in what we call My Math Lab. So it's a Pearson product. It is a software package that includes homework, that includes chapter reviews, and we're even going to take our chapter tests using My Math Lab. So it is important that every single one of you get access to Pearson's My Math Lab as soon as possible. You do not need to buy the textbook for the class, like a hard copy of the textbook, because there is an e-text within the program. So you can actually flip through online what the textbook would look like if you would like to look at additional examples, extra practice problems. There's lots of extra resources in My Math Lab for you. But access to Pearson or My Math Lab can be purchased directly online using the link that I've posted in Canvas. So I have actually worked with the representative at Pearson My Math Lab to get you a discounted code. It should only be about $62 as long as you purchase it through Canvas and go directly online with the video instructions that I've given you in Canvas. Okay, if you purchase it online somewhere else or at the bookstore, I cannot guarantee you that discounted price, but I can guarantee you as long as you use the link that is in Canvas. And there's more information on how to do that in Canvas, okay? We will be starting homework as soon as possible during that first week, so access to My Math Lab is mandatory in order to be able to do all of your assignments and must be purchased by the first Friday of class or you'll be withdrawn from the course. So it's super important that you get in, you get access, you can play around with it and get comfortable so you know where to find everything in not only Canvas but also in My Math Lab, okay? Now, if you can't afford the $62 right away, everybody should be able to get access right away, at least using the 14-day temporary access that they grant you. But within those 14 days, you will have to purchase the permanent code so that you can stay in the class and continue to do your homework, okay? So My Math Lab, again, can be accessed using the link in Canvas. You'll see it on the left-hand side in Canvas. It is now called Access Pearson. It used to be labeled My Lab and Mastering. So if you ever hear me refer to that, that's what I'm talking about. So Pearson and My Math Lab is the same thing. You will need to make sure that you go into My Math Lab the first time through Canvas. Please do not try to go outside in the internet and go to mymathlab.com, they will ask you for a course ID, and we do not have a course ID. I need you to make sure that you go through Canvas the first time so that MyMathLab and Canvas are linked together so that your homework transfers over automatically and all of that good stuff. So please make sure that you follow the directions in Canvas that I provided for you, okay? If you have any questions over that, please let me know.